Hello, my name is Prasit Thomun. Today I am going to present about my kitchen. I pot, black bag, red, coffee, pot lid, bottle, plastic bag, lighter, green tea, sugar, basin, instant noodle, canteen, knife, fork, spoon, bowl, plate, kettle, glass, water, snack, fish sauce, straw, tissue, rice cooker, power plug, styrofoam case,